Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a Sephora birthday gift. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label called the Sephora Collection. Now, this includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to get a Sephora birthday gift. Now, I'd like you to know that if you're a Sephora insider, you are entitled to a free birthday gift after you've placed an order on Sephora. Yes, you're entitled to a birthday gift every year, and it means once you place an order, because you really have to place an order, you have to check out an order before you can now redeem your birthday gift. Now, you can get your birthday gift either online or in store. So I'm going to show you how to get that online. So from this homepage, go ahead and launch any product of your choice that you want to purchase. So let's say I head over to makeup and I choose eye palettes. So over here, I'm just gonna have to select the product that I want to buy. So here you go. This is a eye palette. So I'm just gonna click on any product. Dream Elite Kit. So over here, I'm just gonna click on Add to Basket. And I'm going to click on checkout shipped items. So I'm going to click on that again, checkout shipped items. So over here, go ahead and add your shipping address, your first name, fill out all of these blank spaces, then update your shipping information. If you want to send us a gift message, please do, and add a payment method and review and place your order. So this is where you can review your order. Like, this is the order summary. So once you're done, go ahead and click on place order after you've filled out all of these details. So click on place order. Now, for you to be able to redeem your reward, you have to place this order. And once you get to the final checkout page, after placing your order, it's going to take you to the next window. Now, in the next window, just at the top of the product, you're going to find the redeem reward. That's for your birthday gift. So go ahead and click on redeem reward, and you'll be able to redeem your birthday gift from there after checking out. So if you're not able to see the redeem reward option for you to redeem your birthday gift, it means you either entered a wrong birthday date when you were signing in to Sephora or when you were signing up for Sephora. All right, but then if you're very sure that you entered the right birthday date and you are within the birthday month, all right, and you don't find it, then you just have to go to Sephora in store and claim your birthday gift from there. But if it's within the month, if it's within your birthday month, you are definitely going to find the redeem reward option after checking out checking out this particular product. So remember, you have to check out, you have to buy an item, purchase an item before you can now redeem your birthday gift. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.